Welcome to Evans Uko Masterclass Lesson 05. Our topic this week is how to start online marketing business for beginners. My name is Evans Uko and I will be your subject matter expert and moderator. I have been developing software, mentoring and coaching people in information technology in the last 20 years in oil and gas business industry. I have spent the last 5 years specifically developing marketing strategies for a number of organizations using social media platforms as a consultant. Today I have taken a step further to create a learning group called Evans Uko Masterclass in Facebook and LinkedIn to help people around the world take huge advantage of online marketing business as a source of income. You can contact me directly if you need to learn how to brand your products and services online. We can become your internet marketing agency writing contents to promote your business online. We can offer you specialized training, coaching, mentoring on internet marketing as we keep you informed of market changes that may promote or affect your business. You can contact me at Smart Drive Consulting, 234-803-342-8469. Or email me at evans@smartdriveportfolio.com. Or tweet at me at Evans Uko. Review of last week's lesson. Last week, we talked about things you need to have before starting online marketing course. 1. You need access to a computer, or laptop. 2. You need to have an Android phone. 3. You need Internet Explorer installed on your desktop. 4. You need to know Microsoft PowerPoint version 13 and above. This is where you will learn how to make video for your product. In this week's lesson, we shall be looking at 1. How to start online marketing business for beginners. 2. How to start online marketing without money. 3. What is a business structure in online marketing? 4. What is a niche market solution? 5. Do you need to be computer guru to sell online? 6. Setbacks in starting online marketing. 7. 3 steps approach in starting online marketing. And finally, we expect you to provide us with feedback at the comment section of this video. You can also go to the class forum and post your questions. Introduction. There are 3 steps approach I always like to tell my clients how to start online marketing business. It is always less expensive to start. In lesson 04 I had extensively discussed on what you need to start online marketing. Prerequisite, search for Evans Uko Masterclass, lesson 04 in Google. You do not need capital to start an online marketing business. What you need is the understanding of how online marketing works and how you can fit into that market as a player. Once you become a player, then you will have a clear understanding of how much it will cost you to carry out the business transactions as a player. Why did I say you don't need money to start online marketing? I have said this is many conferences, SME sessions for starters, talk shows that you do not need money to start online marketing. What you need is the idea. You do not need money to buy ideas, or do you? When we talk about business ideas, we are talking about thoughts and suggestions as to a possible course of action. So I ask you, do you need money to think? The money in starting an online business can only come in when you have translated your ideas into a business structure. You cannot start talking about money when there is no clear business structure. You need to take pen and paper and begin to paint the picture of the ideas in your mind on paper. You need to interpret your ideas on paper. Usually you are the best guy to do it because it is your dream. You can do this in 3 dimensions. First is people. Who and who would you need? Secondly, paint a picture of the process, and thirdly, paint a picture of the technology that would be required. In summary, look at the people, the processes, and the technology. What is a business structure in online marketing? When we talk about the business structure, we are talking about setting up a category line of online marketing business that is legally recognized within a given jurisdiction. The business structure must define your products and the market for the products. The products that you bring into the online marketing are the building block, the market for the products is another building block. Finally, you need to establish a link between the products and the market. This then becomes the 3rd building block. These building blocks must be interconnected. When you define your business structure and you discover that the market for your products exists in another country, you must find out if your products are legally acceptable in that country. Take, for example, Amazon is an online marketing platform, but they will never sell to you what is not legally acceptable in your country. Please avoid setting up an illegal business online because you will not hide. What is niche market solution? When we talk about the business structure in online marketing, we are talking about setting up a category line of online marketing business that is legally recognized within a given jurisdiction with the aim of solving a market problem. There are so many market issues and challenges around us in our locality. One quick way to start online marketing and grow very fast is to identify market challenges around your locality, state and country. Then think of an online solution that can solve that problem. You need to ask yourself, in trying to define a market problem, what are the market challenges that people around your locality faces on a daily basis? Your locality could be your office, village or community in which you reside, it could be your place of work, or it could even be a location that you visited. Define a business structure that will deliver a niche market solutions to the market challenges. The business structure must define your products and the market for the products. A niche market solution is the subset of a bigger market problem in which a specific solution is focused. The market niche should define a small solution aimed at satisfying specific market needs and the demographics that it is intended to target. It should be defined as a small market segment solution. Do not try to solve world hunger problem. Do you need to be a computer guru to sell online? People told me that they thought online marketing has to do with being a computer guru or being very knowledgeable in computing. This is not correct. You do not have to be a computer guru to participate in online marketing. Online marketing has to do with buying and selling using the internet as a medium. Online marketing has to do with a simplified market solution for the exchange of goods and services. Starting an online business would mean that you want to offer a simplified market solution to buyers online. This has nothing to do with being a computer guru. Being an online marketer means your ability to advertise and sell your products online. The skills required do not qualify you to be called a computer guru. Setbacks in online marketing. You are likely to suffer setback if the building blocks within the business structure is not connected to each other. Example: when you bring a product to sell in online marketing, you must also identify where those products will be sold. That is what it means by interconnecting building blocks within a business structure. But if you bring a product to online marketing and there is no market for it, then within your business structure, you have unconnected building blocks. Some SMEs have told me that they spent money and created a website for their business, but they have not received any market from the website since they were created. That they are paying money to maintain the website yearly. Some also had told me that they paid money to social media expert and that a Facebook and Instagram was created for their businesses, but they have not sold from these media. These have been my answer and solution to this problem. Building a website, Facebook and Instagram for your business are setting up a building block within your business structure, but you need also to define a market for it. The website, Facebook and Instagram must be connected to a market before you can get sales from those building blocks. When you connect your website, Facebook and Instagram to the right market, then there will be a flow. Don't forget that there are so many businesses making insane sales from their website, Facebook and Instagram. The reason is that their site is connected to the right market. One thing you will learn in this course is connecting your website, Facebook and Instagram to the right market. Please look below this YouTube video now. You will see a red button titled subscribe, click on it and also click the notification bell. This will enable you to get notification of the next lesson to this one. In defining a business structure for your online marketing, you must answer 3 questions. These 3 questions then become a 3-steps approach for starting an online business. Step 1: what do I want to sell online? Step 2: is there a market for what I want to sell online? Step 3: if the market exists, how do I get to that market, or if the market does not exist, how do I create a market for my products? You must answer these 3 questions to have a business structure that is interconnected. Please do this now before the end of this video. Click on the red subscribe button below this video now and hit the notification bell. This will enable you to receive a copy of our weekly free lecture videos. Join the class discussion now at Facebook group and LinkedIn group. LinkedIn group, www.linkedin.com/groups/137968842. Facebook group, www.facebook.com/groups/Evans Uko online masterclass. Go to the comments section on the video and post your questions. How to search for previous lectures in Google and YouTube. If you missed, go to Google search and type Evans Uko Masterclass. Click on search and select lesson number. Alternatively, go to YouTube search and type Evans Uko Masterclass. Click search and select lesson number. Click on the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell on YouTube. This will enable you to receive a copy of our weekly free video lecture. Please share now. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lesson. New lesson is posted weekly. To be continued in the next class.